One of the difficulties of transferring from a paper form or a paper quiz to a Google form can be adding images. You might be thinking that it might be difficult to add images as answers or as part of the question, but it can actually be quite simple. One way that you could do this is through an add-on called Snip, where you're able to upload an image, perhaps a single image of your test, and then you're able to take different types of screenshots of it. So, for example, maybe I was going to ask several questions on this right here, and this was going to be for information or instructions. I could press Save to Drive right here. Then, perhaps that these next parts were going to be the different questions. So, for example, this is going to be my next question. I'm going to press Save to Drive. And then I'm going to do my answer right here. And now I need to check that this is now I could go over here for my next question and change this back to information. Well, actually, sorry, a question and should have actually changed this to question 2. Save to Drive. Now, when I go to add an image right here from my drive, if I go to my recent, I'll have all of those labeled accordingly. So this is instructions, question 1, part 1, and then the different responses right there. You'll also notice that they are in a folder called Snip, where I can see everything that I have uploaded for that. Now, that might not be the easiest way to do it. Some of you might be a little bit more efficient, and perhaps you have your document over on the side right here, and maybe I'm just thinking, okay, we'll look at I might need to just use this for instructions right here. So I might just take a screenshot of this, and if I wanted to, I could take screenshots of all the questions and everything, but I'm not going to on that one. For this one, maybe I do need to take a screenshot, definitely of these ones. So let's say I am going to ask a question on this. I'm going to just copy and paste that in. I'm going to go here. We're going to upload. That's not what that result. Okay, and then if I had, right now this is a form, but if I had it as a quiz, I'd be able to set the answer key right there. So it's fairly simple to take screenshots and copy and paste things from your scanned test in here. The trick here is, now that you have some of that time back of having to grade these things, how are you going to use that? And I hope that you'll look at your responses and actually look not just at the overall score of things, but at the score for individual questions so that you can make better judgments on your teaching.